Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this Innza painless IPL laser hair removal. Alright, so right here we have this IPL hair removal device. That intense pulse light basically helps removing your hair, much like waxing, except for it gets all the way down to the root of the problem. The pulse light with a 5J centimeter high energy and 600 nm wavelength can arrive at the hair follicle to break the cycle of the hair growth, which will kill the hair follicle more efficiently and safely. Within 12 weeks, you can see up to 97% less hair. So right here it goes on your skin tone, body, hair type chart. So if you are really dark and you have really dark hair, it does not work. So the ones that have the green check marks, those ones work for you. So this is the Innza model JDTM. So this right here just shows you can use it for your arms, your legs. It tells you to clean off. And then the power button, it does have to be plugged in. It does not have no battery, so it actually has to be plugged in. So let's go ahead and dive into the box. So the IPL hair remover device has just about 1 million flashes, which is twice long usage than the 500,000 flashes devices that are on the market. So first off, right here you get a quick start guide. This basically tells you what hair and skin type will work efficiently with this IPL model. And then how to use it, the power buttons, you can use it your arms, your legs, how to clean it, how to store it. And then you have a user manual right here. This basically goes over everything. How to use it, how to clean it, how to store it, which areas you can actually treat. And it does have some other languages on the back, so if you want the English version, you have to go to the very front. It tells you how it works. So we're going to put that aside. You do get a little cleaning cloth. This is a microfiber, so once you're done using it, you can go ahead and clean it off for the next usage. So you can see this nice microfiber. We're going to go ahead and put the machine onto the side, get into the contents of the bottom of the box. So you got a couple boxes you got to lift up. In here you do get the charger. So this is the charger, the standard 110 plug that has to be connected to the machine itself, or it will not turn on. So there's your standard 110 charger. So you have another box at the bottom. This should contain your glasses and one lady's razor to get those stubborn areas you can cut off before you actually use the light. So right here is the glasses. It is recommended using the glasses when you use this machine. And then you get your standard ladies razor. So this laser hair removal device has an upgraded 9 energy levels, which will adapt to different skin areas and different hair growth speeds, giving you more precise treatment. It has an auto and manual mode suitable for different body areas. It has a touch screen hair removal device. It's easy to operate. The laser hair removal is for women with an ice cold care features. It can cool the skin while emitting the pulse light. Skin temperature as low as 8 Celsius smooths the burning sensation, and it won't cause skin redness, making the hair removal treatments painless and skin friendly. So this is the power button, and like I said, you have to have it completely turned on with the plug. And this is what it looks like on the side of it. It is not super loud. I will show you how the intensity is. So this has just one few short from 1 million flashes. So just demonstration purposes, we'll just go ahead and flash it on my hand. It is recommended doing this a couple times a week, and within 12 weeks you should see 97% less hair. You get your fingers, your hands, your legs, your armpits. You can do your your upper lip, below your lip. So I'm just doing my hand for demonstration purposes. It has a little tingle to it, but because of the cool sensation, it actually is painless. So each time you flicker it, the bulb goes down. And that's what it looks like. So the little metal thing on the back is actually nice and cool. So I'm just going to turn it on so you can see how quiet this machine is. It may seem a little loud because it's next to my microphone, but when you're actually using this, you can barely tell of the sound of it. So this is your trigger button. This always has to be plugged in order for it to work. It is a super nice machine. If you are looking for an IPL hair remover device that gives off a lot of flashes, this one's just one under 1 million flashes. You can use this twice as long than the other models that give you about 500,000 flashes. So if you're looking for an IPL machine to get rid of those stubborn hair, I would definitely say check this one out. It's definitely worth it.